today, guys, I am talking about, is online marketing saturated? Okay, is the online space saturated? All right, and I'm talking about that today. All right, and what you should do. Hey, Terrell Gordon, what's up, hubby? Hey, Janine Cummins, welcome in, love. So what should I do if the online space is saturated? And that's what we're talking about today. I've been getting a lot of questions in the group. I'm also going to answer a few of those questions as well. Okay, so without further ado, we are going to get started. If you guys can help me to invite some other members of the tribe out, that would be super, super awesome. Okay, thanks so much, Lavelle, for inviting. And I've got a few announcements at the end, right? So let's jump into it. Number one, the online space. Well, let me just say this first. The online space, is it saturated? Well, yeah, it's a whole lot of people out there trying to make money online. Okay, and anytime, thanks Janine, anytime that you have a new aspect of marketing to come out, right, Janine? You're the queen of live stream, so you would know, like with live streaming, when you first started live streaming to now, is it saturated? Is it a lot more people hitting that go live button? Of course it is. The same thing with online selling or anything else that you do, whether it's affiliate marketing or whatever you do. When you first start doing it, you know, it's some people in there, but as you continue to do it over time, lots of people start to catch on, and they also start to do it, right? Even if they're not educated, right, Janine? Which probably makes you like, get some education on this, that there is actually a skill to doing this. Any and everybody now is hitting the go live button for any reason. Any and everyone now is doing affiliate marketing, whether they're spamming groups, whether they're spamming their timeline with links. They don't care how they do it, they're doing it. So yes, it's saturated. It's saturated. Look, I said it's saturated. It's saturated everywhere all the time, guys. Okay, it happens. So let me talk to you about some things that you can do in a saturated market. Number one, guys, is do not panic. Panicking is the worst thing that you can do. You don't want to panic, guys. You don't want to let, because a market is saturated, to make you shake in your boots. Okay, don't shake in your boots. Don't run away. Don't stop doing it because it's saturated. All right, it's your time to shine. It's your time to stand out. You need to go at it hard like never before. The number one thing is do not panic. Online marketing isn't dead. Digital marketing isn't dead. Live streaming isn't dead. Drop shipping isn't dead. Selling online your products and services, it is not dead. But don't allow yourself to die. Don't allow your activity to die. Don't allow your intensity to die. And do not panic. That's right, Lavelle. That's number one. Number two, guys, is shift. Shift. One word, shift. Learn how to shift with the times. Hey, Faye, welcome in. Oh, my God. I meet with some business owners, guys, who come to me because they want to increase their traffic and sales online, and they are so old-fashioned. And I'm not knocking them because that's where I come in, but they are so afraid to move into the new time. Okay? Don't be afraid to video yourself. By the way, I'm going to be putting this plug in there all day. Janine Cummins is doing the Go Live in 5 challenge. She is our tribe member. I want you guys, if you are afraid to broadcast yourself, well, hello, Rosalie. Welcome in, lovely. If you are afraid to broadcast yourself to the world, I need for you to join that challenge. And Janine, you can be sure to put that link in, girl, because I'm going live 3 times and I'm going to be sharing, okay? Welcome in, Charmaine. I see you in there. Hey, Bessie, I see you coming in there. If you are afraid to hit the go live button, good morning, okay, and spread some love and talk about your business, I'm going to need you to sign up for that challenge, okay? You're welcome, love. Is online marketing dead? No, it's not, but it is saturated. Lots of people are marketing, whether it's incorrect or not, whether it's sloppy and spammy or not. Lots of people are marketing. And let me understand. Okay, awesome. I'm excited, Faye. One thing I want you to understand is this. Thanks, Janine, for popping that in there, is this. That's right. Now is the time, that's right, Rosalie, to hit the go live button. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why you need live video. because you are in the digital space. Okay? When you go out here locally in your local town and you do business with someone locally, guys, okay, what happens? You look them in the eye, you smile. All of their senses can feel the vibe of who you are. You can shake their hand, you can look them in the eye, you can smell this person. You can see the way that they walk, the way that they move. You can really make eye contact. Well, in the digital space, you can't do that. So how do you expect to establish that trust with people who don't know you? Well, it's time to hit the go live button, and going live is going to give you more views, more attention in those news feeds. It's going to break up those algorithms. Okay, so that's the importance of joining that challenge, guys. So you want to shift. You want to start to make moves that you're uncomfortable with. Okay, stop doing the same old dusty stuff that you've been doing for the last 5 years. You need to do something new. Shift with the times. Okay, don't be so old-fashioned and set in your ways. Embrace the new, because guess what? A new wave of marketing is coming. And if you aren't on your toes and you aren't ready to shift, guys, with the new wave, guess what happens? You and your business get left behind. And I would hate for that to happen to anybody, right? So we can do it. We can shift. Come on now. We can shift along with the times. So the last one, guys, I'm not going to be before you long. My very last point is take action. Let's go. Let's go. Janine's like, well, let's go. Let's take action. That's number 3. Do not be that person that always wants to get on the train when the train leaves. A lot of us do things for completely free. A free challenge, a free boot camp, okay? Lots of free things are happening. Hello, come on now, Rosalie is feeling it this Monday morning. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's shift. Let's shift. Let's take action. I notice that people want to sit back and watch, okay, everyone else jumping on the plane, or the plane, and taking off and being successful. They just want to stand on the sidelines and watch. It is time. That's right, Lorval and Rosalie. It's time to take action. Everybody put in the comments, if you haven't already, let's go. It's time to get motivated. It's time to get fired up. Okay, if you're not feeling it today, I don't care. Let's get ready. It's time to take action, okay? So I want you to know that, hey, Navarre, welcome in, love. I would love to partner with you. I need to talk with you. Yeah, so I want you to know that these resources online, they won't last forever. Nothing is promised to us, ever, ever. So how easy it is to get in here online and print money. That's right, Lila Arthur. Let's go, boo. Let's go. Let's make it happen, okay? That's right, Charmaine. Let's get it. The ease of getting online, jumping in with no money at all, no money down, a no money down deal, and being able to jump into affiliate marketing, e-commerce, the ability to just jump online and be able to just connect and talk with people. Guys, it may not always be so easy as time goes on. Don't be that person that always waits for the train to pass before now you want to get on. Now you're left in the dust. Build your business now. Right now is the right time to take advantage of the opportunities that are still available to us and run. By the time the people sitting around watching get to it, they'll be left in the dust. You'll be a multi-millionaire. Okay, and these people will be too late. That's right, Navarre. No money down. This is a no money down deal for the most part. It's time to get moving. It's time to get this train moving. So guys, just to go quickly over it, the question I asked is online marketing saturated? Well, heck yes. It is. It is saturated. There are a lot of people doing this. There are a lot of people doing what you do, but it's time for you to stay ahead of the curve, okay? And leave them in the dust. I mean, a really good, healthy competition, leave them in the dust. It's okay if it's saturated, but how are you going to stand out? Number 1, do not panic. We ain't got time for that. We don't have time for that kind of energy. Number 2, shift. It's time to move. Move with the times. Don't get stuck in your own way. Let's shift. Number 3, take action. Don't be that person that is always left behind. It is time to take action. Let's go. Let's make it happen. So guys, I am about to leave, but let me answer some questions. Someone asked in the group, they wanted to know there are going to be some changes on eBay and how will those affect us as dropshippers. I have a whole series of YouTube videos that are being uploaded as we speak that are going to talk to you about some of those changes and how you can stay ahead. Do I feel like dropshipping is going to be dead anytime soon on eBay? No, I don't. But there are always ways that we can shift and stay ahead of the trends, and I'll be talking about those. So I'm not going to waste time here talking about that, because look out for those YouTube videos over on my channel at Ecom Cash Queen. Okay, guys? Another person asked, how can I utilize the sharing buttons on my eBay listings to bring more traffic? I have to be honest, I do not share my eBay listings. I simply just list and I get traffic and I sell. You can do that with keywords or by sniping other sellers. And my eBay course talks about that, okay, guys? But you are free. And I have heard other sellers say that sharing gives their listings a little more juice. Some of the places I would definitely share my listings would be Winello, would be Pinterest, and places like that. Go ahead and utilize those buttons, or go ahead and download those apps, okay, from the Chrome, you know, your toolbar, whatever browser you use, and feel free to pin, share, put those items out there. It's not something that I do because I don't see the difference in doing that, but I have heard other sellers to say that it has helped with their sales to be able to share some of those listings. So if you do want some eBay related tips, like I said, I'm going to be uploading this week about a cluster of like 5 videos, eBay related, already recording, just waiting for my assistant to make it happen. And you can get out there and see how you can stay ahead of the eBay curve. So guys, this group is going to be changing soon because we're moving into a membership model. It's going to stay the same. It's going to be here. It's going to be free. But I'm going to be building a new tribe called the Profit Freedom Tribe. So I want you guys to sign up. You want to be on this train. Once again, when it moves, you want to be on this train when it moves, okay, and when it launches. And you can sign up for updates at bit.ly/PFT-launch. And I'll be sure to put that link in the comments below. So thank you so much for joining in with me, guys. Now I'm going to go live over on YouTube. I am knocking them out the park this morning, getting them out of my way. And I'm actually going to be talking about 3 reasons you should never quit. That's what I'm talking about today over on YouTube. You can join me there over at Ecom Cash Queen. Just type that in and my channel will come up. So guys, I want you to make this day just as beautiful as you are. Make it count, okay? Love you guys. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye, guys.